Folks here, Amsoil Direct Dealer. Website is www.pamforyourmotor.wboil.com. Just going to do an oil change on my 2014 Subaru Forester 2.5 liter engine using Amsoil Signature Series 0W20. As you can see on the back, it meets all the requirements that Subaru requests from their manufacturer, so there's no issues with warranty. It is API approved and it definitely does the job. This is the second oil change on this vehicle. Also using the Amsoil high efficiency EA filter. 15 stands for 15,000 mile intervals. As you can see on the chart, this is how it compares to the other filters. And you can see there, 15,000 miles. So now I'm going to crawl underneath and drain the oil and go through the process. Thanks.
Alright, so now we're underneath. I have already loosened up the drain plug here, 11/16 socket. And I'm probably going to make a mess. It's going to shoot, I don't know where. But hopefully this drain plug, or the bucket, catches everything. It's pretty hot right now. Just take it for a nice drive. And let's hope for the best. I'm ready for it. Perfect. Well, not perfect, but some of it dropped. Okay, so let that dry off or drain a bit. Get it all out the best we can. 4.8 liters. And while that's draining, I can get the drain plug, change the gasket on it, which is a metal crush washer, and put a new one on. A little awkward to get at. Should change these every oil change. Pretty basic compared to my Mazda, because I gotta pull the little plastic guard off the bottom, and more of a pain than anything. Anyways, I'm all thumbs here trying to get this out. Ditch the gloves. I don't need those anymore. Don't plan on getting any more oil on me. Come on, there we go. What's that? Where's my new gasket? New one there. Let's try and open it. Hopefully. Where's that tear plug? There it is. Okay. And this, not like the rubber gaskets where you need to put a little coating on oil, of oil on it to seal it. And as you can see on these, you put the thinner end where it tapers up, that goes up against the oil pan. Let this drain for a minute. Okay, well that's draining. We'll go up top and do the oil filter. That's the nice thing about these Subarus, is that the oil filter is up top. Just gotta make sure I don't make a big huge mess. As you can see, Amsoil EA15K13 oil filter, high efficiency, 98.7% efficient. I'll get the old one, the new one out. I'm ready to go. And this has not taken long at all. Look at that. No mess. Nothing on the ground.
So now it's just important to give this a little bit of a clean so it has a good base and it's sealed up. Got a little bit of rush in the background. Ainsley, my daughter, is just rocking out, so excuse if the camera's moving a little bit. A little rocker chick. Okay, now I'm just gonna get some oil here and okay, I'm just trying to be doing this. All right, put a little skim coat of oil on the gasket just to help with that sealing.
Better slow.
All right, so on goes the new filter. Screw it on just so you feel the gasket touch, and then put one full turn after that. You don't want to crank these things on. All right, filter's done. Oil is drained. Just going to put the drain plug back in the oil, and then we'll dump the new stuff in. So now I'm going to dump the fresh oil in here. As you can see, manufacturer calls for 0W20. So this is what I'm going to put in, 0W20. Put that there. As you can see, 0W20. And it calls for 4.8 liters. So here we go. A little bit of doors in the background. That's what we call a fun oil change. So now we don't have to do this again for a long time, and you don't have to worry about the warranty on this. Like I said, it's a 2014 5-year warranty, so we're good. As long as you have a paper trail that you've done your servicing, the dealerships cannot void your warranty. You do not have to go in there to do your oil changes. And that is it. So anyhow, this is pretty basic now, just dumping the oil in, and we're good. So thanks for watching my video. Again, my website is www.pamperyourmotor.wboil.com. I'm Jason Wilkes, direct dealer. All my contact information is on my website. So if you need to get a hold of me, you can through there, or just order from there. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, thanks. Bye.